Hello friends, I am Rovina. Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today I am going to prepare rose cookies with a twist. I have a unique recipe for you. Let's start it. Since I am doing it for Christmas, I am doing it in a larger quantity. So you can cut down the recipe as per your requirement. First, I have taken a dry vessel. So to this I am adding 4 eggs. Let me beat the eggs first. I have taken 220 grams of sugar and I have powdered it. So after powdering, it's about 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. So I'll add it little by little and mix it well. If sugar is powdered, it helps in mixing quickly. The egg and the sugar is mixed well. I will add 300 grams of wheat flour, that is about 2 3/4 cups. As I said in the beginning, this is a very unique recipe, so watch all my ingredients and the measurements carefully. Generally, we make rose cookies either with Maida or rice flour. So here I will be using 3 different types of flours. So watch my video till the end for all the tips to get beautiful rose cookies. Add it little by little so that lumps don't form. For mixing the batter, I am using coconut milk. So I have taken totally 750 ml of thick coconut milk. So it's a medium thick coconut milk. Instead of coconut milk, you can also use regular milk or even plain water will do, as it doesn't make much difference in the taste and also makes your work easy. Next, I'm adding palm sago starch. So it is also called Indu Udi in Kannada, Indapit in Konkani. So instead of this, if you don't get Indu Pudi or Indapit or palm sago starch, you can use any other kind of starch, like you can use tapioca starch. You can also use arrowroot. So this gives a very good taste to the rose cookies. This is also a body coolant and also adds to the crispiness of the rose cookies. I'm not adding all the coconut milk at once, because if the batter becomes thin, it may form lumps. The palm sago starch is mixed well. I have used 200 grams of palm sago starch, or approximately 2 cups. I will add rice flour now. Rice flour helps in absorbing less oil, so hence the rose cookies will not become soggy. And also this adds to the crispiness of the rose cookies. I have taken about 100 grams of rice flour. The batter is thick, so let me use the coconut milk. Now I am adding 60 grams of butter. Butter gives a very good taste and texture to the rose cookies. Along with this, I'll add a little bit of vanilla essence. You can also add nutmeg powder. I'm not going to mix 2 flavors here, so I want to retain the vanilla flavor, so I'm adding only vanilla essence. So you can choose, if you want, you can add nutmeg powder. I'll add all the coconut milk. I'll add some sesame seeds or til I'm adding here about 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds and 1 tablespoon of black sesame seeds. Mix everything well. All the ingredients are well incorporated. Now you can see the thickness of the batter. This is not too thick nor too thin. So almost of a dosa consistency. So why not too thick? Because if you make the batter very thick, what happens is the roast cookies may not get evenly fried and hence it may become soggy once it cools. And if you make it too thin, you will not get the desired shape. So the consistency of the batter is very important in roast cookies. So this is the perfect consistency. Finally, we'll add salt. I've taken 1 teaspoon of salt. The batter is ready. Now let's go and fry the roast cookies. The oil is getting heated and I will put the mold inside the oil. So before we prepare roast cookies, the mold has to be well heated. Do not overheat the mold. So when the oil gets heated, the mold is ready to put it in the batter. The oil is heated. Now I will gently dip the mold in the batter and release it in the oil. Once again, dip the mold for about 30 seconds in the oil. This is fried, so you can see the beautiful shape of the roast cookies. So you can see the back side. Next we'll make it with some other mold. Now I will show you how to make floured roast cookies. To make flowers, you need round roast cookie mold. Any round will do. You need to keep ready a steel tumbler which is smaller than the size of this roast cookie. You have to make these flowers only when the roast cookie is hot. Once it cools down, you cannot make it. Put it on a tumbler. The roast cookies is hot now, so gently press the sides so that it looks like a flower. You have to do it only when it is hot. Once it cools down, the roast cookie will be crispy, so you cannot bend it in the desired shape. Let's make one more. The roast cookies are ready. Now I'll show you how crispy they have come. So to get crispy rose cookies, you have to fry them well. So it should be slightly brown in color, and after it cools down, immediately you have to store it in airtight containers. So this will remain crispy for a month or more. Have a look at these beautiful flowers. Can you see the shape? And you can see the back side. Thank you friends for watching my channel. Do subscribe if you have still not subscribed for it. Like my videos and do share your feedback in the comment section. See you soon with my next video.